Hello everyone, welcome to Python programming language. This course, in this lessons, we are going to learn about the input statement. This is lesson 6. In this input statement, before learning, we will go to the one story as we continue last lesson. The story is, we have known that Muntasir and Robin, both of them is good friend. So in this story, let's see what's contained. Muntasir and Robin saw a robot which has a calculator. This calculator can only add two numbers, and those two numbers 5 and 6 only, and showing the result of 11. Muntasir wants to add two different numbers which he wants to give. Robin also wants to calculate sum of two toys he wants to buy. Now they're looking for the solution for Muntasir wants to give two different numbers, and he wants to give this number on his own choice. Robin also wants to find out how much he wants to buy two toys and how much is going to cost for these two toys. So in this scenario, that means if the number we want to take something from the users, that time we are going to use the input statement. So if we're going to write this program, first of all, if we input a statement for the how you going to use the input statement, and for the input statement we need a variable to save what input statement syntax. First we need a variable. For example, we want to take, for example, name name equal, and want to input something, so we need to use the input, this keyword. Okay, then enter your name. So in this scenario, we see this name is a variables, and we are going to, this is our message we're going to display. This is the message we want to display, and we are going to save whatever the input is going to give. We're going to save here. And so if we save this program file, save as input program, okay, and run this program, the program is saying enter the name. For example, if I say Muntasir, it's not display anything, but it's taking it's taking the names, but it's not displaying anything. So we want to print whatever you type in here. Now if you want to print this name, we are going to display this variable. If you say, so if we run this program, and if you enter now again Muntasir, the program is going to display Muntasir. If you run the program again, and we want to run this program, and we type Robin, then it's going to display Robin. So this is the input statement. We need a variable, then we need to put the equal sign, then we want to put input, and we want to put our message, whatever the message we want to put. Then if we need to display this, we are going to put the print statement, and then we are going to display the variable. Now we know this name. Now Muntasir is having the problem. Okay, we are going to find the solution for Muntasir. Okay, print, and we're going to write down, sorry, print is lowercase, so print, we're going to say solution for Muntasir. Now one thing, remember, whatever you're putting here by default is taking as a string. Now Muntasir solutions is you want to put the two different numbers, so you need the first number. We want to take the first number. If we say the first number equals, so if we take and put it here, enter first number, okay. Now you get the first number, then input first number. If you say here, see what's going to happen. So this is the solution. We are going to say here Muntasir, then we press enter, and it's giving the message for solution for Muntasir. Then it's asking for the first number. So if you want to give the 14, nothing is happening. But if you want to print this number, if you want to print this number, we're going to change here. Now we have taken the first number, we're going to print the solution for Muntasir. I'll put in the star so it looks a bit nicer. So okay, if you run this program now, let's see what's going to happen. I'm showing you these things because there's a reason. So if you enter the first number, enter your name. So I'm going to put Muntasir, then it's display Muntasir, then it's in solution for Muntasir. Now Muntasir was the first number, you're going to put 14. Now it's displaying the number 14. Yep. Okay. Now we need the second number, isn't it? So you're going to do the same thing for the second number, and we'll make the little bit changes here. This is our second number, and we'll see input. So you need to say second number, and we are going to now display this. So that's the second number. Then even though we don't need to display these things here, but we need to display, we just want two numbers. That's fine. We just need these two numbers. Now we want to add them and show the results. Yeah, we want to. So if we say result equal first number, which is this first number, then plus second number. Yep. Then if we say we're going to print the result, print result is, if we could come over here and we say, now let's see what's going to happen. So we got two numbers. We need a name, we are taking as a Muntasir, then it's asking for the first number 14. If it's the second number 15, then there's a problem here. 14 and 15. What is doing this program is doing? What this program is doing is taking the 14, is taking the 15 as well. So 14 and 15. But it's not giving the result 29. If you have the 14 plus 15, it's 29. But it's doing the 14 and 15 is separately. What this program is doing, because we by default, when using the input statement, by default, the input statement take as a string. Whatever you try to enter is take as a string. If you take the string, for example, the first name is John, second name is Smith, it will give you the same thing, first name John, then Smith. That's what it's doing here. 14 and 15 is showing here. It's not adding the two numbers, it's adding the two string, that means two names. Now to overcome these things, we need to tell the program this is an integer. This is an integer, and we close the bracket. We do the same thing for here as well. We tell our program this is not anymore a string, this is an integer. I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger. Okay, yeah, we close this. Now if we save and run this program, we enter this here. Muntasir, take the first number 14, second number 15, and the result is 29. So from this program we understand that up to here, if we use the input statement, if it's the string, we do need to do the type casting. This is integer, we do need to tell our program if it's a string. By default it's take this string, but if the programs wants us to put the input as an integer, we need to tell our program this is the integer. Now in our second scenario, we need to find this is our, okay, even though it is integer, that's fine. If it's float, we need to tell the program. Our second problem is for Robin, the solution for Robin. Okay, this is the solution for Robin, and we need to make sure Robin wants to buy an toy. Okay, then enter the price for toy 1. Enter. So you want to find the price for toy 1. Okay, then we need to find the price for toy 2. Okay, toy 2, and we're going to make the change. I will say toy 1. price, and this is I'm going to say the toy 2 price. Okay, toy 2 price, then we will find the result. And this will say, we're going to say the total price. Okay, and we'll add total price is total. Okay, yeah, this is the solution for this. Now here is the solution for Robin. If you run this program, okay, that's fine. We're going to put on Thursday. That's fine. We want the first number 14, second number 15 is given 29. Now this is the solution for Robin. If we say the price for first toy is for 150, is giving us a problem here. Is telling us total price int enterprise invalid literal for int. So it's telling, we are telling the program this is the integer, but we are trying to put 450, which is not integer, which is a decimal point. So we need to make sure we have to change the typecasting to the float. So I'm just trying to make it step by step so you get it. Now we change it to float. Now if you run this program again, it should be fine. So on Thursday, that's fine. Then 4, 13, 26, the second number is giving the result 39. That's fine. Now I want to put 580 for my first toy, then £6.20 for my second toy, and it's giving the total price for 12. So when you're using the input statement, this is important. When you're using the input statement, if it's string, you don't need to give the typecasting. But if it's integer or float, you need to tell your program this is my integer, this is my integer, and if it's, you need to tell the program that's the float. Okay. Hope this you got this concept how to use the input statement. Now if you understand this input statement, I got a task for you. You're going to create a simple program. You're going to create a basic calculator which will ask for 2 numbers from the user. User is going to enter 2 numbers. You will ask for the enter the first number, then you're going to enter the second number. When they enter the first number and second number, then you're going to display the result. You're going to say, okay, the addition of these 2 numbers is this. You should display the result. Then you're going to the subtraction from the first number to second number is this. Multiplication of 2 numbers is this, and division of these 2 numbers is these 2. So you're going to make the calculator, basic calculator. When the user enter the 2 numbers, you're going to show the 4 different calculations: one for the addition, one for the subtraction, one for the multiplication, one for the division. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you can't do this, please give me the message, or just write the comments, then I'll try to give you the solution. At this point I don't want to give the solutions because I want you to do and find the solution for these tasks. Thank you very much for watching.